Hello, everybody. My friend Kennedy and I will be your guides today.
Thanks, John. Today we're visiting multiple sites around the Discovery Center.
And we should see very impressive creatures, so be on the lookout.
Our first destination is Padlock 21, home to one of our most mature velociraptors.
Hey, I just got a warning here for power loss in 21.
That's the building they're in.
Hold on, everybody. We need to get you out of that building. I found a clear path out of the enclosure.
Take it! The raptors have taken over the biodome too.
I'll take you through the maintenance emergency exit. Hold on, everybody. Wow, I am sorry for getting you guys mixed up in this.
I don't think it's over yet.
Well, at least everybody went through the tour, so please visit us again. And for anyone that asks, your guides were not John and Kennedy.
Please gather your personal belongings. That is, whatever you still have left, and exit to your right.
Welcome to the universe and you. In just a few moments, the doors to our fantastic display will open. We can't wait to explore the universe with you. Welcome to the Universe and You. This exposition was relocated from the 1964 World Expo, and we hope you are excited to experience this classic adventure through the unknown.
Since the beginning of recorded history, humanity has searched the cosmos, reaching deep into the secrets of the universe for evidence of life from other galaxies. Are we alone? Join us now as we take you through the journey of the
Universe and You program terminated. Access granted for alien invasion training.
Welcome, recruits. Sorry for this phony theme park nonsense. Welcome to the training facility. Let's find out if you're the best of the best, but don't get your hopes up.
Agent J, please report to weapons checkout immediately. Agent J to weapons checkout.
Look at all these new recruits.
During your training mission, you will be armed with shiny alien zappers. Aliens are vulnerable in specific locations, so make sure to aim near their target locators to ensure you pass your training.
It's time for your training, recruits. Head into your vehicles quickly.
It's time to see what you're made of, recruits. Oh, and see that red button? Don't even dream of pressing it.
Begin training simulation. Emergency. Training sequence aborted.
Hold your fire. A shipment of aliens has crash landed directly in the middle of Manhattan.
Weapons energized to full power.
Everybody hit the streets. This is not a drill. Keep your eyes open. They could be hiding just about anywhere. Looks like they're packing some serious heat. Time to roll out the welcome mat and show these intruders what we're made of. It's an ambush.
Whoa, okay, that was a little close, but you'll be all right. Everyone still in one piece?
I just got a report that some bugs have infested some of our fleet. We've set up a bioscan checkpoint.
Bioscan initiated. Warning, alien life forms detected.
Look out, the other car is full of bugs. Aim for the fusion exhaust port.
We are into overtime. We got a massive bug near Times Square. It's going to take a lot more than a few lazy zappers to take this one down. This bug is the size of Alaska, Florida. I don't know, it's just big. Do whatever you gotta do, because this dude is not joking around.
There's only one thing left to do. Push the red button.
Crisis mode engaged. Deploying subatomic thermal disruptor in 3, 2, 1. Mission complete.
I would describe y'all as woo! I would describe you guys as woo! 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 That was pretty hot, wasn't it? Too bad you're not gonna remember any of it.